I assure you, complete practical classes over 19 years of technical expertise exclusively on database platform, including Microsoft SQL, Oracle, MongoDB, MySQL, Postgres, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, and so on. Exclusively dedicated to database technologies, we assure you 100% practical step-by-step classes on this Postgres training sessions. Very much in detail, step by step. Come on, let's get into the details of what we are going to learn in Postgres, what we are going to get in Postgres SQL Developer training classes. Before that, what is Postgres? And to introduce Postgres, we need to first consider database. Database is a platform, a storehouse to store any type of data, any amount of data, no restrictions, right from QR codes to passwords to barcodes, anything, everything, we can happily house it, we can happily store it in a database. And to manage database, to maintain database, we need some software called DBMS. One such DBMS, one such database management system we call Postgres, a open source environment, very secured, highly scalable, and easy to operate, easy to monitor. I'm sure you fall in love with the user interface of Postgres. Very simple and straight. Over years, the user interface is becoming more and more simple, more and more user friendly to catch the attention of our eyes. Now, coming to the Postgres SQL Developer program that we are going to get in our classes. Let's understand slowly, step by step, the details of Postgres. In this particular classes of Postgres SQL Developer program, we are going to have the design skill set concepts, the first one. Number two, data modeling and programming activities. Number three, advanced stored procedures. Good amount of coding concepts. Number four, cloud data operation skill set. These are the four main key takeaways of our classes from the Postgres SQL Developer 1 month to 1.5 month course. We have 1 month course plan and 1.5 month course plan. Choice is yours. What's the difference? Let's go there slowly, step by step. The difference in the course plans for Postgres SQL Developer 1 month and 1.5 month plans. So this is the curriculum you see on the screen. The Postgres SQL Developer program involves number one, of course, right from the basics, right from the very detailed, step-by-step architectural fundamentals of database concepts. So first module includes introduction, you see on the screen, module 1, chapter 1, introduction, chapter 2, fundamentals, then slowly step into tables and database design activities. Then comes data types, very important, fundamental, skeleton topic, the backbone for a developer, data types. We should be very pretty clear on when to use which data type for the efficient execution of your databases in real world. So chapter 4 is very important, and that is the actual backbone, as I mentioned few moments back. From there we are going to continue for joins, subqueries, views, and very cool topic, simple, straightforward, easy to get into the concept called PSQL, catalog activities, PG admin tool uses, CRUD operations, or database level storage, retrieval, modification, removal, data cleansing activities called CRUD activities, CRUD, create and remove update, delete activities, table spaces, backup, restore, and multi-version concurrency control constraints, index, data loading, and extensions. We have good amount of extensions in our classes. Common table expression CTEs and PSQL or PGSQL concepts, various PGSQL variant concepts, variant statements and functions, procedures, triggers, and so on. So chapters 1 to 22 would take about 1 month. Usually the basement activities. From there comes module 2, very useful for our resume and day-to-day job work, performance tuning, advanced tuning activities. And there are different levels of advanced tuning activities, various tuning controls, tuning tools, tuning techniques, tuning statistics, strategies, and query metric activities, part of these chapters 23 to 26. I'm pretty sure the things are very much in detail, step by step, from scratch, right from the very basics for you and your resume. Come on, let's meet for a live demo session. Trainer is Mr. Srinivas, very much talented, a cool guy is very eager to explore and eager to share his knowledge. Mr. Srinivas has been working on Postgres for more than 14 years. Including Postgres, he has good hands on MongoDB, MySQL, and Oracle as well. I am completely into Microsoft technologies. Mr. Srinivas is completely into non-Microsoft technologies for initial 12 years of his beautiful career. And very recently, he ventured into Microsoft as well. I'm sure you'll have a good time working with, spending with, and learning with Mr. Srinivas. Come on, let's have a live demo session. Let's understand what is what in more detail about this PostgreSQL Developer training. Starters, you may only opt for PostgreSQL Developer, it should be fine. If someone is looking for a consolidated, if someone is looking for a more valuable resume, they may opt for combination of Oracle SQL plus Postgres, or Postgres plus Mongo, or Postgres plus MS SQL, any combinations. Choice is yours. We have separate trainers for separate database stacks over here. And let's have a live demo session to understand more about our beautiful step-by-step curriculum and the day-wise content. Please make sure we practice on time throughout the course to ensure best results. That's my only request. Thank you so much and see you there in our live demo session. Thank you once again. Have a nice time. Signing off. Thank you. See you there. Thank you so much.